What is up, YouTube? It's been a minute. It's your boy Christian Thane, aka Swagnar Flossbrook, back at you with another one. Let's go. On this video, I'm gonna be taking an old boat. It's been sitting in my backyard. Can't get a title to it. It's just an old John boat, aluminum John boat. I'm gonna repurpose it into an aquarium, outdoor aquarium, basically like a holding tank. If you follow my channel, you know I built this pond during quarantine. It looked good at the time, but I had ducks in it, and the ducks were shitting everywhere, making a mess. A bunch of algae buildup, leaves at the bottom. I need to clean it out. And I want to kind of redo some stuff. I want to redo the tarp, liner, make it more nice, Clark. Real nice.
Really nice.
I figured I could use this old boat as like a holding tank / aquarium while I'm redoing the pond. So I can put the goldfish that I currently have in the aquarium boat while I'm redoing the pond, because they're too big to be in a 20-gallon aquarium that I have in the house. So this will work just nice.
Really nice.
Me and little man, not so little man, went to Lowe's today, got us some pond pebbles or river pebbles. Yeah, we got river pebbles, and we got a couple bags of the big beach pebbles, the bigger ones. I'm gonna put some plants in it, put some lights around it, maybe put a fountain in it. It's gonna be dope. I don't know, kind of thinking right here where I got them boards laid out at kind of an angle beside my Viking cabin, if I ever finish that fucking project. Comment below if you want me to finish that shit, because I need to. This is a little bit more important because I do need to have somewhere to put the goldfish. This is just for content and for camping out, and yeah, but I still need to finish that. Good in that stay fly, boy. Yeah. All right, update. We had the idea, put some blocks underneath there to raise it up in the back and level it up. I think it looks pretty good. Bryson's digging the hole. We're gonna put one of these posts back here at the back, mount us a light on it, and probably put some vines and some plants around it. Get yours at swagnarflossbrook.com. So I have to build a chicken coop somewhere over here. I've always had my rooster guy. He's the last man standing. Such a pretty cock.
Really nice.
Got some more chickens, got some more chicks. They're in the shed right now under a heat lamp, but you know, a couple weeks, about a month, they'll be out here. So I need to build a chicken coop out here. Probably gonna do it where his little area already is. Just build one bigger and better than they had before, because it didn't work out. Predators were able to get in. I'm gonna have to build it more like that, with the roof and all that. I'm gonna flip this thing over, put some rocks in it, start filling it up, see what happens. These rocks are freaking nasty. I tried poking holes in the bag to filter them, run the hose and the water through it. They still look kind of dirty. So if you have any ideas of how you filter rocks, let me know. It's probably gonna be too late, but it'll help somebody else out in the comments. All right, let's flip this bitch back over. Ugh. That was easy. How does that look? How's it look?
Really nice.
Not too bad. Put some plants and some rocks around it. Yeah, I think it'll look good. All right, got the rocks in there, letting them filter out. See, it's a lot dirtier back here. Draining right there. Once it starts getting clear and clean, then we'll plug it back up. All right, we got it filling up. Might have to do one more cycle of cleaning, but got the majority of the mud out. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Leveled out, Bryson's idea. Instead of moving it, just to level it where it was. I'm glad we did that. Just gonna hide those stones with some plants. You know, we'll put some potted plants back here or something. We also put these two posts in, one up there, one back here. Gonna add some lights, vines, all kind of stuff to it. So we're refilling it up right now. But I'm not gonna fill it up all the way because I still have to do this silicone so it doesn't leak. And a little bit. Hose is trying to take off. What can I say? Can't control these hoes.
Wait, what?
Can't control these hose.
I can't. I for real can't control it.
There's a lesson in life for that. He said he got the music cooking. Been in the lab, mom spaghetti.
In the lab?
In the lab,
Mom spaghetti.
in the stew. Hitting it up in the stew. Summer/spring tank tops dropping very soon. Very soon. So, I'm actually wearing one of the tanks now, but it's under this hoodie. It's a little brisk morning, but it's gonna warm up to about 70 degrees here in an hour or so. I used flex tape for these missing bolts up here on both sides, sprayed and siliconed over that. There's a couple spots on the bottom that were leaking, so I put silicone along the whole edge of the bottom just to make sure, and then I flex sealed over that with the black flex seal. So the back is pretty much all black. There was a couple spots on the side that were leaking, not too bad. I hope I got them. I tried to go off of memory, so I went off of all these little rivets with some flex seal, and once I fill it back up, I'll see if those are still leaking. I still got half a can of that stuff right there that I can spray on there. My brother just stopped by and helped me level this thing out. Me and Bryson got it semi-level yesterday, but we didn't have enough material, so I had to go to Lowe's, get some more blocks, these little bricks right here. Had to go get 4 of those, and now she is pretty much perfectly level. The problem I was having is the water was filling up in the back before the front because it was sitting at an angle not level. So we fixed that. I'm gonna put some plants. I got a couple plants here, not too many yet, but I'm gonna add some more plants back here, so you won't even see these stones once I get done. Plus I got some rocks. I'm gonna rock it up. Just got a couple right now to play with it, see what I like, and yeah. Here's the inside. Got some more black stones today. I'm just gonna place these in random spots. Bop, bop, bop. Goddamn rocks, boy. Goddamn rocks. You know what I'm saying? Spread them out nice and neat like that. And then I'm gonna let the silicone dry just a little bit longer. It's supposed to cure for 24 hours, but
Fuck that.
so we're just gonna let it dry. It's 70 degrees outside today. Sun's beating directly on us. So that's good. We're gonna let that dry for a little bit. Here in a couple hours, we'll fill it up.
Would you look at that? How you doing? Would you look at this? Would you look at this? What is this, a pony?
I get some more to finish up, probably build up some in the back, but I'm also gonna put some plants in between so it won't be all straight rocks. So just trying to get an idea of how much material I need, how many more plants I need right now, because again, I'm going all off of do it as you go. No plans, just
Fucking running.
this side we might put a couple plants coming up, but I wanted to look like it's on the dock, so I might just put some vines on this. I got a nautical rope ordered from Amazon that'll be here this week that I'm gonna tie off, and it'll look like it's docked up. And at night, when those lights are lit up, it's gonna look, it's gonna look sick.
Sick as yes.
Some lights for the inside of the pond. That'll be cool. So yeah, man, I'm excited. It's gonna be dope. Like I said, I'll get some more plants and more stones to block that off in the back, where you won't even see these stones anymore. And it's not a big deal if you do, but by the time I'm done, you won't see them. Just left Lowe's, got me some more plants, some more stones, some more flex seal, but I want to show you guys how you think with your brain. Got them boxed in right there so my plants don't go flying around the bed of the truck. It's called smart, boys. We are back from the hardware store. We got a couple more rocks, a couple more plants, and some flex seal paste. Got a couple patches again. They work pretty good. And then I got this flex seal paste. It's supposed to be extremely thick, super thick. So hopefully this will work without draining it. We'll see. I just got a slow leak there. Slow leak there and a slow leak there. So let's try to patch it up. All right, so I got my patches out. First thing I'm gonna do is cut them to size. I'm gonna cut one in half, and I'm gonna use the other one whole for that bigger leak. So I got my scissors. Gotta use pretty sharp scissors for it to work. cut this in half. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna use one half for this side, the other half for that, and then the full one I'm gonna use right there. You just peel that back clear layer off film. If you can get to it, I don't have fingernails, but peel that layer off. That. You want to dry the area as best you can. Alright guys, so I did a last minute, had a little idea to cut a hole in the step so the fish should swim through. Started on this side, didn't come out too pretty of a cut, but it's alright, it'll work. Got all that styrofoam that came out of there for the insulation, but I'm gonna have to scoop all that stuff out. We're starting to fill it back up, see how it looks. Letting a little bit drain out, get some of that dirt in there that I just tracked in. We'll plug it up here in a minute and let it fill up.
Oh, wow, would you look at this? He's got little bells and whistles, too. Look at him. Oh, look at you. Look at this. Oh, look at him. He's gorgeous. Hello. Oh, goodness. Would you look at this little fella? Hello. Look at him. Just look at him.
Went and got some goldfish. These are actually just the feeder comments that people buy to feed to larger fish. But I get them real small like this, and they grow up to be big, the size of koi fish. Now you can see how cool it looks at night. Came out nice.
Really nice.
That rope and those posts and those lanterns, those were a good idea.
Oh, would you look at this? Oh, my goodness. What is it? Fast as fuck, boy.
Hey, Rooster. Hello, Rooster. Hello, Rooster. Hello. Oh, my cock.
I love my cock.
You are such a pretty cock.
Really nice.
Pretty, pretty cock. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Good night, Rooster.